juke him. I'm about to try to juke him.
Okay.
He's not looking, you know. Oh,
What happened?
I just juked him so bad. He fell.
What'd you Alright, y'all. Day 6.
I am tired of hearing
Day
about
6, right?
pain.
And
The reason that somebody's
cut
not
this off.
crying.
Hold
This
on.
is by far the most common response I get when I
Day 6. Cardio day. I actually was gonna go do cardio at the gym, but I don't know. I feel like running. I'm about to go run. It's hot outside too. I like to sweat a little bit, but we're gonna see if it's too hot. But I'm about to go running. I won't be able to get y'all any content while I'm running because I don't have a camera guy. I don't know how people be doing that. If you see most of the content, well, somebody must have came and recorded me. But that's what I'm about to do. I go running. Get it in. My goal today, I usually run 3 miles. Let's stretch yourself, Lando. You got new headphones. Let's go for 5 miles today. We're gonna see. All right, that's where we at with it. We're gonna tap in a second though. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, y'all. Mile is done. Mile is done. I'm talking about mile. All right, y'all. That's it. I ran. No, that's not it, actually. I ran 4.5 miles. I really was going for 5 because I told you from the beginning. Like I was going for 5, but I didn't get to 5. I did 4.5. I don't know, I was thirsty. My throat was dry, which is not an excuse. I could have kept going because the last 2 miles my throat was dry. But I decided to stop. I think it was because it was so hot out. It's super hot. It's probably about 90 degrees today. I ran 4.5 miles. I don't know how much time it was. I posted up in the video. You'll see it somewhere. Probably screenshot it or something. Then I walked a mile. I had to get home. I ran far. I had to get home. I'm thinking about doing some ab work. I don't know, but I do some ab work. You'll see it. But yeah, that was a good run. I wasn't really tired. My leg was in good shape. My breathing was in good shape, but my throat was dry to the mud. I said, man, my throat dry. So. Not bad. I know I could drop to 5. I ain't run 5 miles in so long. I usually just run 2 to 3 miles and that's it. They don't need to run no more. That's how I was looking at it. But yeah. If I go in the house, I might do some ab on YouTube. Oh sure, you can see. See? That's what I walk. That's what I walk right here. So I'm paused right now. I walk for 23 minutes. But yeah, we'll be right back.
To try to juke him. I'm about to try to juke him.
Okay.
He's not looking, you know. Oh,
What happened?
I just juked him so bad. He fell.
What you playing? Let me see what you playing. What's that?
Let me see.
Football. Keep playing.
What's this? I juked him so bad.
All right, y'all, this is the end of the first week. And I must say, this week definitely was a very, very productive week, right? I definitely got it in. I definitely made it happen. Now, probably wondering why you seeing different videos of me working out. It's because I did a record one for you guys. So I said, hey, let's show my journey of this week. And these are different workouts that I've done this week. And I got it in. I started off the beginning of the week at 271. It was Saturday. Oh, look at that, struggling. 271, and the ending, I was 261, right? So that means I lost 10 pounds. Yes and no, because that 271 for me, I just know it wasn't real. It might have been because I ate a lot the night before, but all in all, it still shows progress. Whether I was 271 or 268, whatever it is, I'm down at 261, right? Which is probably not the 261 is my right weight, but I probably weighed 265 if you ask me. That's all I'm saying. But it was a good week, man. Make sure y'all keep watching my journey. Keep watching my workouts. And make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you share. Hopefully, I motivate someone with these videos, right? Hopefully, somebody get motivated to jump on with your boy and then get it in. You know, I'm doing a whole month of low carb, low sugar. So for those who haven't watched the first video, you should go back and watch all the videos. It was supposed to be a weekly vlog. I drop a video every week, but I had so much content that I end up dropping a video like every other day. And I'm enjoying it, man. It definitely was a beautiful week. I want to thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all like. Make sure y'all share. And again, make sure you like. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share it. You already know who it is. It's your boy Lendo. I am the man, though. Oh.